Welcome back to the Bike Boot channel. I am doing my first collaboration with Dreamizer. They have a store on Amazon where they are selling all kinds of stuff. They got mirrors, lights, grips, a bunch of seats, some electrical pegs. Go check them out on Amazon, and they also have an eBay store. What they sent me to check out is a luggage rack. It's very well packaged. This thing ain't getting scratched en route. So far, it looks like a quality product. I have a Hogworks tour pack. So you don't always need the big tour pack. I also have a smaller bag that I use for traveling. So this will be perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this on the bike, see how it goes, throw some luggage on it, and go from there. Okay, as you see, I got a black Road Glide, so this matches perfectly. Fit and finish looks good. The hardware looks good. It's pretty quality. Oh, I like that. It fits solid. Yeah, this hardware is pretty good. Well, it snaps right in. I've had these in the past on my Street Glide, and it normally rattles away. I added my backrest because that's the way you gotta strap the Nelson rig to. Now I'm in the middle of changing my chrome to black. As you notice, I put the black guards on, which you saw from another video. You know, the black bars, etc., etc. I'm really digging the look of it. So I'm gonna throw the Nelson rig on. Instead of sitting on your fender, now you got someplace to put your gear on. You don't always need your big box, your big Hogworks box or your tour pack. Sometimes you just need a little bit, so. That's it. Really good too. I'm digging it. I like the look of it. I dig it. Looks nice. Go check out Dreamizer. You can check them out on the Amazon store. You can check out the eBay store. I really like the fit and finish of this. It's actually a lot nicer than I thought it was going to be honest with you. It's really solid. And the look is solid too. I just wanted to add this in. The Stealth Luggage Rack. It's Dreamizer Gloss Black Detachable Stealth Luggage Rack. Compatible for Harley-Davidson Tourings, which is the Road King, the Road Glide that I got, the Street Glide that I did have. It says 09 to 23. Quick detach. I'll throw a link in the description for it. It goes for $79.99. It's free shipping. It's quality. I like it. I had one on my Street Glide that I brought from Amazon from another company, and it was terrible. It rattled the whole time. The hardware is cheap, but this seems to be like a good product. Obviously, I'll review it again when I get some miles on the bike. We're towards the end of our season now, but I'll leave it on there, ride with it. I ride all winter. So that's it. We'll go to the my outro. All right, if you like this video and others like it, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, Bike Boot, and I will catch you later.